This is Artem's.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. The US government just drew a line in the sand for AI. They restricted Anthropic's latest models over national security fears. It is a high-stakes clash between the drive for innovation and the fear of foreign intelligence risks. The administration moved to restrict Claude Fable 5 because they believe its guardrails can be disabled. This would effectively grant users access to the more powerful Mythos model. Security experts argue the so-called jailbreak was actually just a request to fix code. This is the central paradox of modern AI. The same capability that allows a developer to patch a vulnerability also allows a bad actor. Now, Anthropic is caught in the middle of a regulatory battle while its models remain offline. While the US focuses on restrictions, China is scaling up. DeepSeek has become a $50 billion powerhouse after a $7 billion funding round. They are not just throwing more compute at the problem, they are using a new recipe called multi-teacher on policy distillation. Instead of one monolithic model, they train several domain specialists and then distill that knowledge into a single student. It is a more efficient, scalable path to the frontier. This frontier technology is now colliding with the corporate world. 79% of senior executives claim their companies have already adopted AI agents. Gartner predicts that 40% of agentic AI projects will be cancelled by 2027. The failure is not usually the model, it is the data. Most enterprise information is unstructured and trapped in silos, leaving agents to draw flawed conclusions from incomplete context. Even if the software is perfected, the physical world is pushing back. Data centers are now so angry they are straining national grids. To solve this, companies like Emerald AI use software to dial down cheap power during demand spikes. This prevents blackouts without requiring new power plants. It is a necessary compromise. In some regions, the only way to get a facility online quickly is to agree to be flexible with the electricity throw. This massive infrastructure shift is being mirrored by how the money is moving. Ripple is expanding its footprint in Afrospend in Flutterwave. They are integrating stablecoins to speed up cross-border payments. At the same time, BlackRock is institutionalizing Kaitu volatility. Their new income fund uses a covered call strategy to turn price swings into a recurring yield. The asset is maturing from a speculative bet into a structured financial product for the masses. Today, we see a recurring theme of friction. It is the friction between national security and open research, between AI hype and the reality of siloed enterprise data, and between digital growth and physical power limits. The next phase of growth will not be about who has the biggest model, but about who can best navigate the constraints of the real world. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.